Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Alibaba on PC. Alibaba is one of the world's largest online marketplace designed mainly for the wholesale buying and global trade. Whether you're starting a small business, drop shipping, or just looking to buy items in bulk at lower prices, Alibaba gives you access to thousands of suppliers from around the world, especially from China. For a beginner, the platform can feel overwhelming in options, and this guide walks you through everything step by step from signing up to understanding every major icon so you can confidently use Alibaba. So first you need to create the account, open any of the web browser you prefer. After that, in the top there's an address bar, type down alibaba.com and enter it. Over here, once you get into this interface of your Alibaba, you need to create an account. Over here in the top right corner there's an option for the create account. Click onto this create account here. After that, if you want to sign in or create an account from the Google, Facebook or LinkedIn, you can simply click on one of the socials that you prefer, or you can also type down your email address here and click onto this continue here. And here you can choose if you're a buyer or supplier, and after that click onto this continue again. So here again you need to verify email. In order to do that, open a new tab and type down gmail.com and enter it. And over here you can find this Alibaba mail. Click onto this mail and simply copy this mail and go back to this and paste it down here. And over here you need to set up your account. Type down your first name and your last name and create a password as well. And over here again you need to click onto this small icon to agree to the free membership agreement, term of use, and privacy policy of Alibaba, and click onto this confirm here. And that is it. You have successfully created an account in Alibaba. After signing up, you may need to verify email and phone through a code, and once done your account is ready. You can sign in on, and after that you can log in anytime and enter your email, phone and password, and you can log in using your Google or social media accounts for convenience. And you can understand the home screen here. When you first enter Alibaba, the home screen shows multiple sections and icons. Here's what each major part means. In the search bar over here, you can also do it by the image search. This is where you type product you want, like perfume, and you can click onto this search here, and it's the most important tool. Over here you can also use the camera inside the search bar here. It lets you upload your photo or search similar product visually. You can find the categories icon here as well. On the top left you can also find this all categories icon. Usually at the top left opens a list of product categories like electronics, beauty, fashions, home, etc. It shows item you have added but have not purchased yet. Message icon over here in the top right corner, this message icon, this is where your communication with suppliers. You can ask about prices, customization, shipping, etc. And the profile in the top right corner here, this is your account dashboard. You can view orders, setting messages, and save items. And searching for the product, you can also type any of the product into this search bar, and after that you'll see a list of items, and each product listing includes product image, price ranges, minimum order quantity, supplier names, ratings, or review, and filters and sorting icon you can also find there. Over here under this product page explain, shows the images or video section, shows the product from the different angles, price and MOQ as well. It displays the cost per unit and minimum quantity required, and the variation sections as well, and contacting suppliers. And before buying, always message the supplier using the chat icon in the top right corner here. And you can ask if you can order a sample, what is the final price including the shipping, and do you offer customization as well. And this helps avoid misunderstanding. If you want to add into cart, you can open any of the product here, click onto this product, and here what you can do is click onto the select now in the top right. You can also send inquiry here on the bottom, and over here you can select the quantity or the pieces that you want from this product, and you can also describe your sourcing requirements for products, attributes, quantity, or the supply service, or write faster with the smart assistant below, and click onto this send inquiry after you're done with it. If you want to add to cart, click onto this add to cart here, and it saves the item so you can compare later. And after that you can click onto this add to cart again and click, and that is it. This product has been added to your cart. So if you want to check your cart, in the top right corner this is the shopping cart. You can click onto this cart here, and under this cart you can find all of the products that you have added to this cart, and you can check out over here for your final directly to checkout. In order to place your order as well, you can click onto the checkout here. Over here you can select your country, region for your shipping address, type down your phone number, your first name, your street address as well, and your apartment, your state, province. And after that you can simply continue your payment here as well, and after that you can confirm your shipping method. You can choose your payment method, card, bank or transfer, and Alibaba often trades assurance with products your payment until you receive the product as well. And after that you can also track your orders. You can simply go back to track it. In order to track your orders in the top right corner, this is a profile icon here. You can go to this orders here, and over here you can view all of the order status, processing, shipped, delivered and tracked, shipping progress as well and more. And under this orders, you can also view all of the purchases here. And under this message icon here, it checks the supplier chats as well. Tips for beginners is always check supplier ratings and reviews. Start with small orders or samples. Communicate clearly with sellers and avoid deals that seem too cheap, or use trade assurance for safety. Over here, beside it in the top left, we can find there's an option for the AI mode. Alibaba has an AI powered feature. Once you click onto this AI mode here, this interface opens. It's sometimes shown as a sparkle or assistant icon. This tool helps you search smarter. Instead of typing exact product names, you can describe what you want, like perfume, and AI suggests relevant product on the bottom there and simply enter it here. It may also recommend trending items, help refine your search, and even suggest better keywords. This is especially useful if you're unsure about what exact product to use and to name. And over here, once you go back again, under the suppliers here, when you search for something, you'll often see tables like products and suppliers here. Once you click onto the supplier tab shows companies instead of individual item. This is important if you want to build long-term business relationship. Each supplier profile usually includes company name, years of experience, certifications, ratings, and reviews. You'll also see badges like verified suppliers once you scroll a bit down. Clicking a supplier lets you explore their product and contact them directly. And the product tab also. And the product tab just beside the suppliers here, this is the default search result view. It displays individual item per sale. Each product listing includes image of the item, price range based on the quantity, minimum order quantity, MOQ, and supplier name. This is tab best if you want to quickly browse and compare them rather than focus on the seller. And beside it, there's a worldwide shipping icon. Alibaba is a global platform, so many listings include a ships to worldwide shipping indicator. This tells you whether the supplier delivers to your country, and you may also see the estimated delivery time, shipping cost, shipping methods, air, sea, express. And this icon section helps you avoid wasting time on product section, helps you avoid on product that don't ship to your location. And over here in the top right, once you go to this profile icon here, you'll find to this RFQs. RFQs are the request for quotation icon. The RFQ feature is one of the Alibaba's most powerful tools, usually shown as the RFQ. Instead of searching for the product, this saves time because multiple sellers compete to give you the best price. It's especially useful for the bulk buying or custom products. You can click onto this RFQs here and think of RFQ as letting the supplies come to you instead of you searching them. And the last thing is to sign out. The sign out log out. In order to log out, you can click onto this icon here of your profile in the top right, and this is found in your profile. It's usually represented by this sign out here, and you can simply click onto this sign out in order to log out of your profile. And logging out is important if you're using a shared device, as it protects your account messages and payment. And these features are essential for navigating Alibaba efficiently. And that is it. Alibaba is a powerful platform, but it requires a bit of learning at first. And once you understand the icon, navigation, and communication system, it becomes much easier to use and even start your own business using Alibaba. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.